Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Sheesh, I came out here to do the first night flight for this little tiny FX model P51D Mustang Redtail. It has minimal lights, but I just wanted to get it out here for a night flight, and now it started raining. So I'm gonna try to get it in the air still. Okay, we're down. Let's try to get it flying. Ah, the rain is coming down now, guys. Uh-oh. And this is going wacky on me. I just cut the throttle, guys. It was going wacky. Sheesh, I don't know what that's all about. It's acting really weird out here. It was flashing and all. Let me see. I don't know. Maybe we might be able to get it back in the air. Let's try. It was acting like it lost connection or something. Auto leveling is back on. Let's see if I can fly it. You can see the lights kinda when it's coming towards us. We can see the lights. I don't know what it did. Why did it do what it did earlier? Okay, the rain is starting to come down a little more. Let me see if I can bring it over here and rain. Oh! Ah! I did not see this this little tree right here. I guess we're gonna end it right there when I get it down. The first night flight with this guy ended up in a tree.
No.
We'll be able to get it down. The rain is still coming down. My daughter didn't want us to end it like that, so let me take off one more time and try to get a better. Oh yeah, I know, right? Oh, the rain is really coming down now. We're definitely gonna have to land it. See if we can get a good landing over here. That's the best we could do. I'll have a link in the description for AliExpress for you to grab this little bird. If you like it, I have codes in the description as well, so you guys can get it at a cheaper price. Pop-off prop system. Little tiny P51D Redtail from FX or Flybear on AliExpress. Thanks for watching.